A very good morning, dear students. I'm back with the same subject, that is Environmental Studies Part 2, and the same sub chapter, that is chapter number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. Students, this is our third and the last lecture for this chapter. Today we will be studying and revising this chapter. So today's content outline is Shahaji Raje Bhosle. So before we begin, let's see the meaning of few words. First is transferred. Transferred means to move from some place or from some person to another. Next is conquer. Conquer means to take control of something by military force. Next is alliance. Alliance means to work jointly for mutual benefit, or I can say for mutual profit. Next is defeated. Defeated means having been beaten in the battle. When somebody loses the battle, they are defeated. Next is reputation. Reputation means the way you are viewed by others, or I can say the way you are looked by others, what did people think about you. Next is enhance. Enhance means to improve the quality or value of something. Next is antagonism. That is active or constant opposition, or I can say unfriendliness between two people. Next is scheming, that is secret involvement. Next is decline. Decline means to decrease or to become smaller or to become less. Next is threat. Threat means fright, or we can say the feeling of fear or to intention to damage something. Next is aggression. Aggression means feeling of anger, and the last one is appeal. Appeal means making requests. So dear students, let's start with the chapter. Shahaji Raje Bhosle. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir which he has conferred on Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje was Shahaji Raje's father, because Shahaji Raje was very brave and a capable man. So he gave him his Jagir. Okay. So what happened when Nizam Shah was working, Shahaji Raje was working with Nizam Shah. At that time, Mughal Emperor decided to conquer the kingdom. Mughal Emperor took the help of Adil Shah, and they both wanted to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. So they both become friends and called a war against Nizam Shah. Is it clear to you? So when Shahaji Raje was working for Nizam Shah, he was very brave. So Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought very bravely. They both fought against Mughals and Adil Shah to save the Nizam Shahi kingdom, and they both defeated the armies. Is it clear? The battle was fought at the place Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Shahaji Raje displayed a great valor, but a sad thing was his brother Sharif Ji was killed in that battle. Understood? So Shahaji Raje was praised by everyone. His reputation was enhanced, but this made Malik Ambar very jealous of him, and this led to antagonism between both of them, between Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje. So Shahaji Raje was fed up of this unfriendliness. So as a result, he left Nizam Shahi kingdom and he joined Adil Shah. So when Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah, he was very happy and he honored him the title Sar Lashkar, that is the chief of the army. Adil Shah was very happy that Shahaji Raje came to him. So what happened when he was working for Adil Shah at that time, Malik Ambar died. So his son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shah. During that period, the Nizam Shahi kingdom became to decline. Decline means to become less, or I told you na. So at about the same time, there was the threat of the Mughal aggression. So Nizam Shahi kingdom was in trouble. It was in danger because of the decline of the kingdom and the fear of Mughal emperor. So that time Nizam Shah's mother requested Shahaji Raje to please leave Adil Shah and come back to Nizam Shahi kingdom and to save him. So Shahaji Raje left Adil Shah and returned to Nizam Shahi. I hope you understood the chapter. Now quickly let's see a recap. In this chapter we studied about the period of unrest, that is dissatisfaction, and the teaching of saints. We also studied that the two sultans were constantly at fight with each other. They were enemies. So in this war, they used the Maratha Sardars for their help for the war. Why? Because Maratha Sardars were very brave and tough. They were fearless and loyal. The Maratha Sardars had a small army. So with their armies they used to go to Sultan, and return Sultan used to give them Jagirs. We also studied about the famous Maratha Sardars in this chapter. We studied about the tradition of valor, that Maratha Sardars were very brave, but they did not do anything for their people. Instead, serve the interest of others. We studied about the temple of Grushneshwar, that it was about to fall, but nobody tried to repair it. So, Maloji Raje Bhosle, father of Shahaji Raje and grandfather of Shivaji Maharaj, repaired it. We also studied about the family tree of the Bhosles. That is, Babaji Raje had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje was married to Umabai and had two sons, Shahaji, Sharifji. Shahaji was married to Jizabai and had son Shivaji, and Shivaji Maharaj married to Sahibai and had Sambhaji Raje. The Mughal emperor from Delhi attacked Nizam Shah. At that time, the Malik Ambar was the Wazir of Nizam Shah. He told Nizam Shah about the two brave brothers, that is Maloji and Vithoji. So Nizam Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe. Because of this, the Bhosles become very rich. Maloji Raje married Umabai. She was from the Nimbalkar family and had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. But Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. So at that time, Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old, and Vithoji Raje, his brother, looked after the children and Jagir. Further, Shahaji Raje was married to Jizabai. She was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Today we studied about the brave Shahaji Raje, how it was Maloji Raje's Jagir was conferred to him by Nizam Shah. And the Mughal emperor, when he attacked Nizam Shah, Shahaji Raje fought very bravely with Malik Ambar and saved Nizam Shahi kingdom from Mughal emperor and Adil Shah. But because of his bravery, everybody praised him. But Malik Ambar was jealous. There was antagonism between both of them. So Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shah and joined Adil Shah. Adil Shah became very happy, and he honored him with the title Sar Lashkar. Later on, when Malik Ambar died, his son became the Wazir, but he was not able to look after the Nizam Shahi kingdom. So day by day it started declining. So Nizam Shah's mother requested Shahji Maharaj to come back to Nizam Shahi, and he did so. So dear students, I hope you all have understood the lesson very well. So we'll be meeting very soon in the next video, but with a new subject and also with a new lesson. So it's a request to all read the textbook. Okay.